Hello, I'm Craig Meyerhofer, Vice President of Business Development at Alpen High Performance Products.
And I'm Tyler Board, National Channel Sales Manager at Alpen.
Alpen is a Colorado-based manufacturer of high-performance and Passive House certified windows and doors, and our manufacturing facility is located just outside of Boulder. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Tyrol Edge series, our newest evolution in energy-efficient design.
Alpen's Tyrol Edge series is an innovative, European-style system which features tilt-turn and hopper-style windows. These fiberglass-reinforced uPVC windows are designed for ultra-high-performance insulation, superior comfort, and unsurpassed air infiltration performance.
Tyler, let's dive into some of the features and attributes of the system.
I'm standing on the inside of a Tyrol tilt-turn window on the top and a hopper mold below. My hopper is typically going to have the handle on the top of the sash, although we can put it on both jambs. When I turn my handle down, my window will open. When I push the sash back to the frame and operate the handle, my hopper is now shut. Above, we're going to talk about our tilt-turn window. The operation of this window, when the handle is pointed down, the window is shut. When I turn the handle 90 degrees, my window will operate inside my space. And as I return the sash back to the frame and lift my handle up 90 degrees, that will allow me to engage the tilt function. On the top of the tilt function, we have a 3 5/8 opening between the sash and the frame to allow for a vent. One aesthetic of the window we'd like to point out is our mitered welded corners, which is a seamless weld, leaving a nice, clean finish for your window in your home. Lastly, to talk about the hardware and the frame of the window, as I said, we have multi-point hardware. As I operate my handle, you can see the cams moving up and down. Those cams will lock into corresponding keepers positioned on the sill, the jamb, and the head all the way around the window, leaving a nice airtight connection. This window also has a triple thick rubber marine gasketing, so 1 layer on my sash, 2 layers on my frame, the last layer being right behind my flex screen. My flex screen, in order to remove it, I simply grab the middle of the screen, pull it towards me, take it out, and then do the opposite to remove it. The screen is also mounted by magnets that are in the top and the bottom. So when I put the screen back in, I want to make sure I get contact from the screen frame to my magnets and then shut my window.
All right, Tyler, let's take a little closer look at these cutaways of the Tyrol Edge tilt-turn window and look at the frame, the sash, and our glass that we're manufacturing.
So here we have a tilt-turn corner sample. Along our frame here is going to highlight a thermoplastic rod stabilized core that gives the frame rigidity that's made up of a recycled window material. Along our sash here, we'll highlight the fiberglass co-extruded part of our uPVC window. This gray line is actually structurally embedded fiberglass that runs the entire length of our sash. And then here inside our glazing pocket is our thin glass triple pane, highlighting the middle layer, giving us a lightweight triple pane made up of thin glass.
That's a 0.5 millimeter thin glass on the interior pane. Beautiful. But that's a triple. What about a quad?
So here we're going to highlight a Alpen thin glass quad pane IGU. Both of these glazing options can go inside of any one of Alpen's frames. You can see the middle 2 layers are made up of thin glass, giving us 3 chambers of inert gas fill and insulation.
And of course, we're showing both black and white. We also have a bronze material and an anthracite gray material. So thanks, appreciate that, Tyler. We hope this video has given you some good insight concerning the features and benefits of the Tyrol Edge series. For more information on this series, as well as our other products, please visit our website at www.thinkalpen.com or call us at 303-834-3600 and let us help you elevate your next window and door project.